Hey guys, Carlos Colon here with Georgia Perimeter Homes, and today we're going to be talking about move-in ready. A lot of listings have this. What is it? What does it mean? And how does it affect me if I'm considering buying a home? Alright, so move-in ready. If you're considering buying a home, what is it? What does it mean? So let's jump right in. So what we're really talking about when we're talking about move-in ready is when you see these listings for homes that are for sale and they clearly state move-in ready. What exactly does that mean? Alright, on that same note, looking at the other end of it is, well, does that mean that there's such a thing as a non-move-in ready home? And yes, there actually is. I would never really write in move-in ready versus non-move-in ready unless it's a particular situation. But so we'll jump right into kind of what the expectation is, all right? So if you're not move-in ready, or if it doesn't say that, it might need some work in some way, shape, or form. Not saying it definitely does, but the assumption is if you type in the words move-in ready, we're really talking about the condition, the current condition of the home. So what we're talking about is interior paint, we're talking about the appliances, we're also talking about the major components and the big stuff, the big ticket items on the house. Roof, HVAC, water heater, just to name a few. So in a move-in ready home, typically all these items will be in proper working condition. All you've got to do, bring your belongings, come right in, unpack, you're done. That's the unconscious expectation. The reality is most homes, when they're resale homes, are usually always move-in ready unless the condition is not right. So if the condition is not right on the property, what I'm really referring to is, let's say the HVAC system, the heating and air rather, does not work. Okay, well, is it move-in ready? Well, technically you can still move in, but we probably need to get this thing fixed. And so that would be the assumption. On top of that, just understand this also affects pricing. So if we're really talking about move-in ready versus not move-in ready being a factor of condition, you can also expect that if the condition is lower and we assume that something major is wrong, let's say it needs a new roof, that the price point on the home will be a little bit lower. That would be the general assumption. Now, the mistakes that a lot of buyers make is they go, oh my God, this home looks beautiful, it's so well priced. They come in and realize that it's not exactly right away move-in ready. There's some things they would want to do. And so they think, okay, yeah, it's a great price, but I really want to do all these other things to it. So can I knock some more off the price? So we need to be very careful when we think this way. And the reason being is if those things were already done, wouldn't the price already be higher and set to the standard of what move-in ready would really be? And so those price adjustments vary depending on the condition of the home. So put the perspective of the words move-in ready and replace them with condition. If you replace them with the word condition, you can kind of expect what you're really walking into. When we talk about appliances, by the way, are we really saying that it comes with a fridge? Not necessarily. In the state of Georgia where we live, how many sellers really leave the fridge with the home? I mean, it's really about 50-50. A lot of them take them with them, but some of them really do leave them, especially if they're moving out of state. So you want to take those things into consideration. And so my expectation on move-in ready means it comes with everything that I would need. Does that mean it would come with the washer and the dryer? Not necessarily. So a lot of agents and realtors use these terms interchangeably and just call everything move-in ready if the condition is okay. So it's a very vague term. What we really need to talk about is condition. And if you keep your focus on condition of the home relative to the asking price, you're going to be okay. If you try to haggle lower and it's already priced well, you may not win the bid, especially if we're in a seller's market like we are currently as we're filming this film. So That's it. So if you guys are interested in buying or selling a home or want more information about some homes, please give us a call. Our number is 770-314-1285, or check out our website at www.georgiaperimeterhomes.com. Thanks. Bye.